Do you follow No Shave November?
Yes.
What's that?
Yes. No shave. No shave.
No shave
What is
November.
that? Are you going to follow No Shave November?
No shave.
No. Do you follow No Shave November?
No.
No, of course you won't.
That's for sure.
Yeah.
Am I following?
No Shave November.
No, you can, bro. Like fuck that shit. You can't like that. Yeah, like
Okay.
whatever shit I had, I took it off. Like.
No.
You?
No.
You?
No.
Yeah, we follow.
You follow No Shave November. So he has no beard to follow.
Yeah, I am.
He is following No Shave November.
No, I don't.
No Shave
not really.
November.
No.
No.
I am.
He is.
No. Oh no.
No.
Exactly. See, look at my beard.
Look at his beard.
Yeah. दाढ़ी मेरे पास इतनी है. Do you think I am?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of.
You follow No Shave November.
Nothing is there.
Nothing is there. Why do they follow No Shave November?
Shade November. Maybe you should ask boys.
No.
You should ask boys.
I'm asking boys. I just want to know if the girls know it.
No, we would love to know the secret.
I don't know, I find it really pointless.
Pointless?
There's nothing so new about it. There's nothing so, great about it, exciting about it.
Why?
There's no the heck of it.
You know why there is
No, I haven't
No.
really researched about it, so I do not.
research big terms?
I don't know. One of my friends follows it. That's the reason, maybe.
That is the reason, maybe.
I don't know. Most of my friends are following, so am I.
Your friends are following, so you are following.
Yeah.
Mandatory.
It's
mandatory.
It's mandatory.
It's to show our manliness.
Manliness.
It's kind of some kind of a charity thing.
Some kind of a charity. What charity? Like वो बच्चों को books दे देंगे वाला.
Something like that. I don't remember right now.
You don't remember.
I don't remember. No, I don't know.
He doesn't remember why there is No Shave November.
Because you guys like beards, having beards.
Because we guys like beards. That's it.
It's some kind of, I think some kind of foundation or something. They're trying to raise it for something. Yeah,
Exactly. She's coming to the point.
It's for some awareness, how much I know.
Some awareness.
I guess cancer awareness.
Cancer awareness.
Yes, to stop the money for grooming.
To stop the.
Money for grooming.
Okay.
Yes, I know that much.
Bus.
Bas,
Stop the money for grooming.
Yes.
But as much as I've heard, it's about some event.
Event.
That happens for what do you say? Like charity or something.
That's an event that happens for charity.
Like, in order to save the money, in order to contribute this money for helping poor people and all.
To help the poor people.
Charity something.
Charity. A charity. What charity?
Cancer.
Cancer kosam. For cancer.
It's for cancer?
For cancer awareness.
For cancer awareness.
To raise money, basically save the money and then you give it off to any
Cancer organization.
Yeah.
Cool.
Basically, you save the money for cancer patients.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Who do you think is the best beard icon?
Bradley Cooper.
Bradley Cooper.
David Beckham.
David Beckham. Chaguera.
Tom Hardy.
Tom Hardy.
Nick Bateman.
Nick Bateman.
David Beckham.
David Beckham.
Yeah.
Milind Soman.
Milind Soman.
David Beckham.
David Beckham.
Myself.
Oh!
Hmm.
There he is. Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Benedict Cumberbatch from Doctor Strange. He had a good
Benedict has a
beard.
beard.
Yeah, he does. He did have. David Beckham.
David Beckham.
Same.
Same.
David Beckham, I guess.
David Beckham.
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli is only behind cricketers.